Rafa! Up, Leon!
Ready, Jose! Manon, Manon! Coming! Go, go, Isaac! Support, support, Jose! Ay, may ano, ball boy.
Set, 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 set! Other side, Jacob. Andyan si Leon.
Say yung ano natin, say!
Oh, we stay there, stay!
Stay high! Stay high! Harbol, say! Avoid foul, so say, avoid foul, avoid foul.
Other side, Jacob.
Not too close, Leon! Sa paa, set! Other side! Other side! Press, Leon! Ram, ready, Ram! Compact, compact, set! Good one, Ram! Ow! Say, ready lang, say! Oo, pag warm up. Say, ready, say! Hey! Say, press! Go, Isaac! Support, support! Jose, ask for the ball, Jose! Press! Go, Ram! Delay, Ram!
Set! Set!
Set! Behind you, set! Get one! Marking, set! Marking! Tight marking! Tight marking!
Why you doing this to me? Bro.
Up! Up! Go, Isaac! Go, Isaac! Ram, support Ram! Support Ram! Go, go, Isaac! Go, Isaac! You can do it, Isaac! Jose, ito, Jose. May extra ball, Jose, doon, no? Bola, pare! Bola, pare! Yung kinuha yung bola, ay pagulong yung bola, isa. Set, set! Sa paa, set! Sa paa! Support! Go, cross, Jose! Support, support! Hey! Go, set! Drop, Rafa! Se, sagad ka na, se. Align. Up. In line. Isaac. Sa last man, Jose. Jose, dikit na sa last man. Tingin, Jose. Go, Isaac! Bounce! Go, Isaac! First bounce, Nesta! First bounce! Oh my God, headset! Sa paas, abi ko head eh.
Jacob, no need. Stay there. Oh, now we go up.
Go set! Up! Jose, up! Ay, nako set. Set! Inline set!
Kung walang option, down the line.
Turn! Good one! Paano kasi? Go Isaac! Go Isaac! Go Isaac! Kasi naman! Good one, Ram! Isaac! Come on, Isaac! Recover! Go Isaac! First bounce, Isaac! Take a shot, Isaac! Good try, Jose! Good try! Good try! Isaac! Set! Head tayo pag airball! Rafa! Now, Ram! Good try, Ram! Jose, ready, Jose! Isaac! Finish it, set! Tara, set! Faster, set! Come on, set! Come on, set! Sorry. Amen. Late lang. Diyan lang, Isaac. Tara, set! Ram! Migo, behind you, Migo! Migo, behind you! Isaac. Isaac, try to shot, ha? Isaac, shot tayo. Shot. Kailangan yung shot. Ay! Say, you need to move, Jose! Tara, Leon. Come on, Leon! Win it back! Come on, Leon, release! Come on, Leon! Behind you, set! Behind you, set! Set! Behind you, set! Ano ba yan? Support, Jose! Ah, not yet, not yet.
Isaac! Sure boy!
Cover, amigo! Wide, Jose!
Jacob, ask for it again! Set! Set, set, set!
Set, behind you, set! Ko, ano na naman, pwesto.
Bro, your eyes are like more than mine.
Set! Set! Don't forward!
Y'all are taking eyes at this, I'm opening my eyes at this. No, but you guys will open my eyes. You guys faster. Yeah, he said it. He said it. It's okay for him.
Jose, sabay, Jose! Ah! Good one, Lesta! Hey, Jose, wide, Jose! Jose, wide! Go, Isaac! Press, press, Isaac, press! Cover, cover! Set, kanina yun, set! Nag-CR lang, coach, nag-CR lang. Tyler! Go, Ram! Wide, Ram! Hey, Jose, hingi, Jose! Go, Jose! Holy shit! Kaya! 1-2! Warm up! Agility then quick sprint. Go, Migo! Continue, Migo! Mga Leon! Tara, Leon! Bawi, Leon! Jose, ready, Jose! Jose! Manon! Oh, Jacob! Go! No foul! Ah! Sige, agility din quick sprint tayo dyan.
Jacob, 26!
Manon! Wide, Ram! Ram, wide! Good try! Amigo! Isaac, Isaac! Sige, dynamics lang. Papunta kay coach. Kay coach. Jose, ready, Jose!
Ate Jose.
Go on, Isaac! Stronger, Isaac! Stronger, Isaac! Ala! Play! Say, don't watch, say, ready, Jose! Set, check behind, set. Wide, Jose. Say wide. Jacob, ask Jacob.
Testa. Si Jacob, laging libre.
Set. Check mo lagi yung behind, ha? Other side, Ram. Wala. Come on, Leon. Recover, Leon. Recover, Leon. Come on, Isaac. Hey! First bounce! Say ready, Jose. Go, say, go, say. Hey, get one, get one. Tight backing.
Water.
Tubig, guys. Lagay nyo sa line.
Right wing, Real. Uy, makinig! Anong ginagawa nila sa bola? Long ball. So kung sino man yung first defender closest to the ball, don't let them make that long ball. That's automatic. Diba sabi ko sa inyo para silang MSA. Mag-receive long ball. So prevent them from making those long balls. Leon, wingers, midfielders. Kasi pag nag-long ball yan, mahihirapan tayong defense. Mahihirapan yung defenders nyo. Ay tamad pa naman kayo bumaba. Diba? So doon pa lang, pag susupply ng long ball, pigilan nyo na. Nakuha. Sinabi ko din sa inyo. Diba? They will play physical. Kung umatras kayo, talo na tayo. Nakuha. Leon, Nesta, Ram, si Jacob, laging lipo doon sa gitna. Bakit nyo hindi siya hinahanap? Dribble ka na naman ng dribble, Leon. Come on. Finish. They beat one defender. Look for a pass. No pass and then go dribble. Understand? Use your very beautiful through ball. I don't like to see you dribbling from own half until the goal. What's the first objective? baka magtaka.
Coach, left back po.
Later.
Ano lang yun?
Migo, stop.
Nag-advantage yung referee. Nag-advantage siya kaya hindi niya pinakawal. Tumbler please, pagilid! Kasi tatin yung bola. Papunta doon. Kaya hindi niya na-in-out. So nagpatakita niya out na. Nag-advantage. Kaya hindi niya pinakawal. Tayo rin yung sumipa eh. Pero di naman nakuha. Dapat pa-foul. Dapat out yun kung nakuha ng kalaban. Advantage.
So tama naman yung ball.
Oo. Nag-advantage lang siya. Pero dapat nung nakuha ng kalaban, dapat sa atin. Dito kayo, boys. Dito kayo. Huwag kayo dyan. Dumadaan yung linesman dyan. Migo, dito, Migo. Pwede dito. May shades dito. Alon! Puro clear na lang ah. Jose, ready! Pass play na yan. Ayun o. Go! Hey! Support! Arbol na yan. Set, pwede ka na mag-extend dito, Set. Konti. Yes. Rapa, stay Rapa. Ram!
Hindi, Nesta, pasok. Jacob. Change.
Se! Hey! Press! Support boys, support! Good Waram!
Andre, warm up.
Press! Support! Ay, sayang. Move kayo konti dyan. Sprint. Short sprint. Yes, short sprint. Kopak! Harap Rayan! Harap sa bola! First bounce!
That's it, Jacob. Very good.
Kaya Rayan! Jose, ready! Good pass!
Yes, good pass.
Good try! Yan! Ganun lang!
Good play.
Ganun lang, Rayan!
Yun. Pwede pa yun ikaw.
Kaya ay.
Pag lumapit yung defender, si Ram, manilibre.
Compact first set!
That's it, good.
Support Rayan!
Away,
Okay na. Jacob,
Manon ha, Jacob, Manon.
press it. Pwede back.
Leon. Turn.
Ram, wide ram. Manon, turn. Rayan, move.
Now, that's it. Ganyan dapat.
Stay set. Not too close, okay na yan.
Jose, pasok, Jose.
Same. Jacob! Pwede pa i-push, Cobb. Good try, Jacob. Rayan. Second ka. Rapa. Dalawa yan, Rapa. One more, Leon.
Yung isa cover.
Rayan. Kabose!
Cover, Tyler.
Good wire set.
Arboy. Carlos, ikaw.
coach?
Ah,
Ano tinawag?
Foul daw eh. Foul kaya ano.
ay karot lang.
Tinulak siguro.
Carlos! Set! Jose! Check the offside! Ryan! Sabay sa bola, Ryan! Wala na. Good try. Kapit ka na kay coach. Sige.
Andres, ikaw din, go. Wait, sabay kayo. Joke lang.
Okay bro.
Jose!
Ay! Ay!
Oh, fuck. Good try, Rafa! Good try!
Leon! Leon! Sa gitna kayo ng goal, boys! Kasi ilan na yung...
Yeah. Good, good. Balik ulit to, Seb. Move again, move again. Ay, gagi na yan. Ayan na, Jacob. Go, let's cover, cover.
You have Leon, good!
Come on, Leon. Sa'yo na yan. Corner, corner. Ewan ko ba? Kasi! Good one, Ram! Corner! Pasok, pasok. Tutong tayo dun, ha? Leon, gano'n lang, Leon! Brian! Dalawa na yun, ha? First bounce! Ready, Rhea, ready! Ram, other side! Wide, wide, Ryan!
Very good!
Nice one! Yeah! Nice play! Turn! Ryan, hingi tayo, Ryan! Mamaya, pagka nag-sub ka, ang laki ng goal, oh. Okay? Depende. Cover mo siya, open yung eyes, push mo sa right, saka makasot. Kahit nandyan siya. Kasi kaya mo naman yun, kahit yung pinakamalaki nila eh. I-wide mo lang yung kamay mo. Okay? Kasi pag ginanon yung kamay mo, ay mapatay yan. Huwag mo lang i-extend yung kamay mo. Hindi yan, foul. Nakuha mo yan. Kailangan mo yan gamitin. Kahit mag-slow down ka dyan, gaganyan ka na. Parang i-screen ka. You protect the ball. Yung walang foul yun, yun yung advantage mo. Okay, mamaya ha. Hindi laging speed. Okay, hindi laging push forward. Sometimes, pag push forward, cover mo, kaya mag-roll yung bola. Cover mo, saka mo yung shot. Okay? Ano yan mamaya? Oo nga eh. Saan? Press! Ayan na, corner. Carlos, timing, Carlos! Shit. Turn, Rafa. Tara, Andre! Kamusta, Andres? You good?
I hate this game, bro.
Andre, mas sikip na doon. Huwag mo nang pilitin. Balik natin.
Mbappe, galingan mo, Mbappe.
Press! Press! Eh, sayang na yan. Dalawa. Go, Jacob!
Warm up yung pogi.
Drop, Rafa, drop! Go, Andre!
Mbappe.
Go, Andre! Stronger, Andre! Stronger, Andre! Good one, Andre! Ay, ball! Pasok na, Andre! Cover! Andre, tara, Andre! Ayun o, Andre, sa'yo no, bola o.
Okay. Kaya ba niya malakas?
Parang hindi eh.
Jacob, baka kailangan lumapit.
Turn, turn! Eh, Andre! Ano yan, Andre? Andre!
We need one goal.
Andre!
We're out. We need to win.
Papunta sa goal. Go! Papunta,
Go!
papunta sa goal, Dre!
Hindi sa goal natin.
Relax, relax. Good. Ay, other side.
Dion, cover muna, Dion.
Tara, Rayan! Pero clear na lang. Stronger tayo dyan, Yaswa, ha?
Pag hindi ka tumama ng
Jacob, Jacob! Wide! Andre, wide! Jacob!
What?
Malon!
Other side. Weird. Okay. Go, go, go!
Papunta sa goal, Andre! Go, Andre! Kaya, kaya, Jacob!
No communication.
Cover, cover, Andres!
Oh, glasses. Goggles.
Other side!
Can you even see?
Turn!
How can he see?
Lapit. Ala.
So we were leading, but then they let come back. Wait, who scored fourth first? Nagjola. But we come back. We come back in the second half. Nice. We need that type of player for right now. Lucas, second half, we restart. Oh, scored? Oh my god. Don't not let them go. I asked her. Okay. Wide, Andre, wide muna.
Cannot see anything.
Go! Other side!
Go, go, Andre! Go, Andre! Good try, Andre! Sayang, hindi nag-speed up eh.
Wide, Andre, wide, Andre! Balik, Nesta! Wide. Okay.
Ay, clear natin! Come on, Yeswa! Hey, Yeswa! Ganun lang ng ganun. Go, Rayan! Tuloy, Rayan! Di mala i-cover.
Nag-magic siya.
Di mala i-challenge eh.
Naunan niya siya.
Kaya,
Diba, gaganin nyo lang yung kalaban, tapos nakaharap mo. Yes, sir! Habang go behind you.